All right, everyone, the deadline is rapidly approaching to get health insurance through the Affordable Care Act. You have just until this Sunday to sign up on the federal marketplace. And if you don't have insurance, you could face some tax penalties. Hazen Mirts is here tonight from Enroll Health with much more. Thank you very much for coming in.
Thanks for having me.
Let's first off and start off, what do people really, if they're just now kind of realizing the deadline's right around the corner, what do they need to keep in mind and think about before they choose a plan?
Sure. So checking to see if they had previous coverage, knowing that Sunday is the deadline. So Sunday's the deadline. If you don't enroll by then, you might not be able to get coverage for the rest of the year.
And tax penalties, stiff tax penalties. I think a lot of people really aren't used to this or expecting this, and a lot of people are in shock right now.
That's right. So everybody's starting to file their taxes for 2014, and they're being judged if they had health coverage during 2014. And so that penalty also doubles for 2015. So now's the time to make that choice right now for taxes of 2015.
It's very important for us to point out to all of our viewers right now, you are going to help people kind of sift through this process. You have an important event tomorrow that could really help people if they have not made a decision yet.
That's right. So we have a health insurance fair at the Gallery location on Kingston Pike. We'll have tax advisors and healthcare experts there so they can walk them through both pieces of the legislation, which will tell them whether their, what their tax will be and then also what their healthcare costs could be or what subsidies they could get from the government.
And all of that should really factor into their opinion or their decision on which plan they want to go for.
For sure.
Let's talk a little bit about the sign-up process itself. Obviously, the first time around, news media reporting a lot about all of the complications out there. This time around, we're not hearing very much. Is it going a lot more smoothly?
It is. There's also third-party vendors that have where you can use them to get in through .gov and enroll individuals into the healthcare. And so we have that kind of technology, and so we can do it in about 20 minutes.
Wow, that's all it really takes.
Yes.
What do they need to bring to one of these third parties if they want to get some help doing this? Do they need to bring any sort of documents with them?
Sure. If they have last year's income information for their taxes, that'd be incredible to have. And then, of course, any kind of medications or things that they want to structure their healthcare plan would really help us along the process. And
Hazen, real quickly, common mistakes. What are you seeing out there that people are kind of doing wrong that you really could help them this weekend?
So the biggest thing is just understanding where you have somebody to be able to walk you through that process. That's huge. The other thing is that you can't get caught up in the plans. They've got metallic names, if you will, precious metals. And so understanding the differences in those and how it works for you.
All right. We appreciate your time and really all you're doing to help people understand this. Good luck this weekend.
Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you. Okay.